Two project management giants. One battle. Which one really delivers? On the left, ClickUp, the all-in-one platform built for every team. And on the right, Jira, the powerhouse trusted by software developers worldwide. Let's put aside the hype words and focus on what actually matters. Each round scores points, so by the end, you'll know exactly who wins, and the result might just surprise you. So, to keep things super organized, here's our mind map for today. We're going to look at features and use case, ease of use, collaboration, automation and AI, integrations, price, customization and flexibility, mobile experience, and who each tool is best for. Buckle up, we're diving deep. Okay, let's start with features and use case. ClickUp? Oh man, it's got like 15 plus views you can flip through. List, board, Gantt, mind map, calendar, you name it. It goes way beyond just engineering too. Think docs, whiteboards, nested subtasks, the works. Honestly, almost too much if you're new. Then there's Jira. This one's got serious street cred for software development. Its issue tracking, agile boards, and release planning, super robust, but it mainly sticks to board-focused views and can feel pretty intimidating if you're not technical. So yeah, both are loaded, just in different ways. And for this one, the win? It's a tie. Depends on your team's vibe. Moving on, ease of use. ClickUp's interface? Honestly, it's pretty slick. The onboarding's quick, and you can tweak layouts however you want. But real talk, it can be a bit much, because you can customize nearly everything, which can cause some head-scratching early on. Jira, though, is rock solid if your world is tech and tickets. But wow, do the menus and admin settings get complex fast. For most people, especially folks outside development, it can feel intimidating. Like, wait, what do I click next? Winner here is ClickUp. Now, collaboration ClickUp runs wild with built-in docs, chat, and whiteboards. Plus, it's made for every kind of team, not just devs. You get real-time comments, updates, kind of a digital playground, though honestly, maybe too many bells and whistles for some. On Jira's side, it's mainly about comments, notifications, and it's perfect for dev teams. But not so much if your HR or marketing crew wants in. So, for working together across departments, ClickUp takes it. Quick pause. Did you know ClickUp lets you embed live whiteboards and mind maps straight into your tasks? Super slick for brainstorming. Meanwhile, Jira actually pioneered the idea of an issue, which now powers like thousands of development teams. Pretty wild, right? Oh, and here's something cool. Automation and AI. Both tools are heavy hitters here. ClickUp throws in their ClickUp Brain for automations, AI summaries, and even idea generation. You can automate repetitive stuff, custom flows, the whole nine. Some top-shelf features do need pricier plans. But Jira? They've got Atlassian intelligence and advanced dev triggers. It's brilliant for detailed automations, no question. But some setups get pretty technical. In this round, both hit the mark, a tie. Integrations, important, right? ClickUp hooks up with Slack, Teams, Figma, Dropbox, Google Calendar, all sorts of stuff. And Zapier lets you get even fancier. If you're looking for deep developer integrations, though, like complex CI/CD, it's not as hardcore as Jira. Which brings me to Jira. Mega deep connections with Jenkins, GitHub, Bitbucket, and even Adobe XD. But if you want universal drop-ins, like Dropbox, that's not really its thing. So integrations are great for both, just with different strengths. Another tie. Next up, price. ClickUp's free tier? Wildly generous. Lots of features for unlimited users, and their paid upgrades are affordable too. Of course, some stuff like slick AI and super custom reporting are behind the paywall. Jira, they work on per-user pricing, and they scale for mega technical teams, plus discounts for academia. But whoa, it does add up quick as your user count grows, especially if you want those high-end premium features. Winner, ClickUp, hands down. Customization and flexibility. If you want to crank your workspace however you like, ClickUp's got you. So many views, statuses, templates, and it fits nearly any kind of team, marketing to HR to product to engineers. Honestly, it's almost too flexible if you're a small team. Not everyone needs that much. Jira's customization, super granular for agile workflows and permissions, but it's mainly built for development processes. Yes, you can tweak lots, but less if you're outside product or engineering. So this one's ClickUp's win. Mobile experience. You know what? ClickUp's mobile app totally nails most desktop features, but it's not perfect. Sometimes the app's a bit laggy and the design feels off. Jira, though, Consistent, reliable, especially for chasing bugs or issues on the go. If you're non-techie, it's less intuitive, but for developers, solid stuff. Winner for mobile, Jira. Last one, best for. ClickUp, to be honest, fits everywhere. Cross-functional teams, marketing, ops, product, even software dev. The only thing, it's not geared for super complex release management. Jira, it's the undisputed champ for software teams, IT, support, and anyone needing intricate issue tracking and DevOps. It's less user-friendly for non-technical folks, though. So in this case, it's just a tie. Depends on where your team lives. If we step back for a sec and plot all these categories on a radar chart, you'd see ClickUp light up in flexibility, price, and ease of use, while Jira crushes it in development features, integrations, and mobile reliability. They're both pretty strong in automation and collaboration. There are definitely a few outliers where one pulls ahead, but that's the big picture. All right, here's my honest take for 2025. If you want an all-purpose tool, something that's super flexible, easy to pick up, and good for company-wide teamwork, go ClickUp. It's more than worth it. But if you're deep in software development, need killer issue tracking and intricate agile flows, honestly, Jira's still the powerhouse. You just got to know what your team really needs. If this comparison helped, make sure to follow for more head-to-head software breakdowns. And hey, if you've got a unique team setup, drop your scenario. I'll help you find the perfect match.